One of the common scenes found in highly developing areas like the city of San Fernando and the municipality of Bawang is... It's one of the things you need to be in the mood for once you plan to visit the surfing capital of the North, La Union. This is Macarthur Highway, the second longest road in the Philippines. Insufficient parking spaces, road obstructions are just some of the reasons of traffic congestion in the Philippines. But here in La Union, they know how to decongest it. To improve accessibility in main roads, the local government focused in traffic management modernization via Bawang San Juan Diversion Road. With 22.19 kilometers in length, this road connects 24 barangays. This alternative route has 4 lanes and 6 bridges that will allow you to reduce your travel time from 1 hour to just 30 minutes. And when this bypass road is completed, you won't even notice the travel time from La Union to Ilocos and back to Manila again. That's how fast it's gonna be. Wow! La Union was awarded the most competitive province in Region 1 by National Competitiveness Council in 2019, which speaks soundly why they attract both local and foreign tourists and investors all year round. It's not surprising because it only takes 4 hours to travel from Manila to La Union via Tarlac-Pangasinan-La Union Expressway via Rosario Exit. Only 2.5 hours from Clark International Airport, and only 1.5 hours if you come from Baguio. If you're in La Union, it's only an hour to the City of Pines via the Aringay-Tubao alternate route via the Anduyan Bridge. La Union has a unique location strategically connecting Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, Pangasinan, Tarlac, and the Cordillera Administrative Region, where access and exchange of goods and necessities between neighboring provinces and regions is made easier. Farm-to-market roads, as the name suggests, were built to deliver fresh produce directly from the farm to the market, just like Balikpek, Pasca, FMR.
Dito namin idinadaan ang aming mga produktong hinaharvest namin katulad ng kasaba, mangga, banana at saka pangunahing produkto natin na palay. Ang saya namin dahil may ganito kaming kalsada, mabilis ang pagpunta namin sa bayan at dahil doon, mabilis ang aming pag-unlad sa aming barangay.
The roads of Santol, Kibungan, and Kadaklang, Masico were also constructed to ensure fast, smooth, and hassle-free delivery and trade of goods and services. How about maritime transport? Around 90% of shipping in the world is carried through the sea. That's why one of the busiest places in the province is this 236.5-hectare Poro Point Freeport Zone, where their 30-hectare seaport is situated. This can accommodate all types of vehicles, from cruise ships to fishing boats. Typically, pier operations include vessels that import rice from Vietnam and China. Just when you think it can't work when the sun is out, this lighthouse is still perfectly functioning, which helps and guides ships to port at night. And not far from here is the 65-hectare Mediterranean-inspired luxury resort and the 3,450 yards, 9-hole golf course. Everybody's dream destinations are all here in La Union. Nestled on a scenic 100-foot cliff at the highest point of Poro Point Peninsula that overlooks San Fernando Bay and the West Philippine Sea, you can witness the breathtaking sunset. Built in a 2,000 square meter lot will rise the first convention center in Region 1, the La Union Convention Center. This 3-story building has unique architectural and aesthetic design inspired by the province's famous surfing destination. I'm not even done yet. Now you can travel from any country in Southeast Asia to La Union conveniently in less time. How? Through their state-of-the-art 40-hectare San Fernando Airport, which also houses 27 flying schools for cross-country training flights. From here, only 1.5 hours away from Hong Kong, Vietnam, and Taipei. 3.5 hours away from Japan, Singapore, and Korea. and 4 hours away from Malaysia, Thailand, and Indonesia. It also serves as an alternative runway for aircrafts that need emergency landing. Here in LU, everything is accessible through land, air, and sea. Many would think that as a popular surfing destination, La Union stopped at that staple trademark. Little did they know, they will lose count of how many exciting ways the province can surprise you from. The possibilities are limitless here in La Union, with convenient, modern, high quality, and cost-effective roads. Access the place your way when you visit the beautiful La Union!